All right, let's be honest. TikTok and Instagram have convinced us that our bathrooms need to look like a luxury spa with gadgets we never knew existed. But are these so-called must-haves actually life-changing or just overhyped? Let's break it down. This little gadget keeps your bathroom smelling fresh without you having to do anything. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy a constant burst of fragrance. A luxury? Maybe. This little duck doesn't just float. It tells you if your bath water is too hot or too cold. Originally designed for babies, but honestly, it's great for anyone who wants the perfect soak. Ever wanted to watch Netflix in the shower? This waterproof phone holder makes it possible. Touchscreen friendly, steam resistant, and perfect for catching up on your favorite shows while you relax. If you love that hotel shower experience, a high-pressure rain shower head is the way to go. It turns weak water flow into a luxurious downpour, making showers 10 times better. Overhyped? Not at all. This one's a true game changer. These storage bins fold flat when not in use and pop open when you need extra space. Perfect for storing towels, toiletries, or even kids' bath toys. If you love organization, they're a solid win. If you already have enough storage, maybe not a must-have, but definitely handy. If you love a coordinated bathroom, a 6-piece bath ensemble is a must. Everything matches. Everything looks put together. Soap dispenser, toothbrush holder, and more. If your bathroom counter looks like a disaster zone, this 3-tier organizer might just save your sanity. It gives you vertical storage without taking up too much space, keeping everything within reach. Overhyped? Not at all. This one's actually useful. These little guys bring personality to your bathroom, but they also keep your toothbrush covered and off the sink. If you love organization and cute aesthetics, they're a win. But if you don't mind a basic cup, you might not need the extra flair. Bathrooms aren't always great for real plants, so these artificial ones bring in that spa-like feel without the hassle. No watering, no dying leaves, just pure aesthetic. Bathing a wiggly baby can be stressful, but this soft, sink-friendly seat makes it so much easier. It keeps them comfy and supported, while you keep both hands free. Ever tried to relax in the tub, only to end up with a stiff neck? This plush, waterproof spa pillow turns your bathtub into a luxury experience. It's soft, supportive, and makes soaking way more comfortable. Imagine soaking in a hot bath with a book, a candle, and maybe even a glass of wine. This tray table turns your bathtub into a full-on relaxation station. Necessary? Nope. But for that spa experience at home? Totally worth it. No more tangled cords or cluttered countertops. This holder keeps your hairdryer stored neatly inside a cabinet. If you love a clean and organized space, it's a win. If lifting the toilet lid feels like the biggest struggle of your day, This tiny cat paw might just be your new best friend. It's cute, keeps things hygienic, and let's be honest, who doesn't want a little paw helping them out? See-through storage makes everything so much easier. No more guessing what's inside. These clear plastic canisters keep your essentials organized while looking super sleek. If you love that everything in its place vibe, these are totally worth it. If your shower is a balancing act of bottles on the ledge, a corner caddy changes the game. It saves space, keeps things organized, and makes sure your shampoo isn't constantly falling. A must-have for small showers. Who knew a toilet flush button could be this fun? This donut-shaped design adds a quirky touch to your bathroom while still doing its job. It's proof that even the most basic things can have a glow-up. This little bird isn't just decoration, it actually drains your soap properly, so no more soggy, melting mess. It's cute, functional, and adds a little personality to your sink. Ever tried shaving or skincare in the shower, only to deal with a foggy mirror? This fogless shower mirror actually works. No more wiping with your hand every 2 seconds. If you like multitasking in the shower, this might just be a game changer. Tangled headbands all over the place? This holder keeps them neat, easy to grab, and honestly, it just looks cute on a bathroom counter. Ever tried to remove old, stubborn caulk with just a knife? Not fun. This metal caulk remover gets the job done fast. This isn't just a regular squeegee. It tackles wet floors, hair, and even pet fur with ease. The angled design makes drying surfaces effortless, whether it's your bathroom, kitchen, or even car windows. If you hate water puddles, this might just be a game changer. These shelves do more than just look good. If your bathroom lacks storage, they give you extra space while keeping things sleek. Overhyped? Not really. They're both functional and aesthetic. Yes, it's shaped like a pigeon. And yes, it actually works. A simple press on the head dispenses just the right amount of soap. It's fun, it's functional, and it makes washing hands way more interesting. This one is basically magic. It's a tiny candy-looking tablet that turns into a towel with just a splash of water. Perfect for travel, gym bags, or emergency cleanups. Is it a necessity? Maybe not. But is it convenient? Absolutely. Potty training can be a struggle, but this little chair makes it easier. It's comfy, the right size, and makes kids feel like big achievers. You don't think about cleaning your shower nozzle until you see the grime that builds up. This tiny brush makes it super easy to keep the water flowing properly. Some people love them, some think they're weird. But a toilet rug keeps your feet warm and adds a soft touch to your bathroom. It also absorbs moisture, so no more cold tiles after a shower. Necessary? Probably not. But if you like cozy vibes, why not? This isn't your standard round brush. The V-shape is designed to get into those tricky corners that regular brushes tend to miss. Loofahs collect bacteria fast, and this silicone scrubber is a cleaner, longer-lasting alternative. It's gentle on the skin and easy to clean. Messy caulk lines? This self-adhesive caulking tape gives your bathroom that clean, seamless look without the hassle of actual caulking. It's waterproof, easy to apply, and makes everything look brand new. So, are these bathroom must-haves overhyped? Some, maybe, but most of them? Actually super useful. Let me know in the comments which one you'd add to your bathroom, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun product reviews.